This short video covers the installation of the Pearson hands-on lab simulator. Overall, the installation was easy to complete and took only a few minutes. The only problem encountered during the installation was the change in pricing that occurred during the purchase. Pearson offers a discount on the product in exchange for information from the buyer. However, once the information is provided by the buyer, the price is automatically increased and then the discount is applied. Upon installation, there are two different ways that you can look at the hands-on lab simulator. One way is to sort by chapter, and there are a total of 13 chapters that cover concepts that are presented in the network exam. It is also set up so that you can sort by specific lab types, such as matching, drag and drop, and simulation. Once you see these two slides on your computer, you know that you have total access and the installation is complete.